Hello everyone, I am Azhar Islam and today I am going to show you how to get free domain and free web hosting for your WordPress website. And you can install free SSL certificate on your website. Also, I will show you how to set your custom domain on free web hosting. So let's get started, and before starting this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel to get more updates. First of all, you have to visit ProfreeHost.com and I will give you the link on video description box below. Check it and come to the website, and ProfreeHost provide you unlimited disk space, unlimited bandwidth, MySQL databases and easy control panel. You can manage your website, web hosting account and everything using the cpanel account. But it has some limitation, and don't use this website for your professional website, and you can use this website for your portfolio website or normal business website because they can't provide you any premium support. So to get domain and free web hosting, just click on create account and type your email address and password and click on this button. To activate your account, just check your email address. I'm going to my email address and check my email address and check the email address and click on active account to activate your account. My account has been activated successfully, and click on create new account and scroll down. You can create a new website. Just type your domain name. I just type it, my domain name, and you can type your domain name and your visitors can visit this website using this link, and you can also select your domain extension name. I just select this extension and my website will be azharasset.unix.com, and you can also add your simple custom domain. Just check on custom domain and you can type your custom domain name. I just typing my custom domain name. And you can also change your name server. Just log in your Namecheap account or going to your custom domain manage section. Just click on manage and you can change the name server. Just select custom DNS, copy these name servers and paste your name servers. I just copy it, name servers, and paste. And you can also add all name servers and click on save. So my name server has been updated, and just wait 10 to 15 minutes and click on this button and verify your Google CAPTCHA. And you can also create another new account. Just click on create new account, select on free domain and you will get free domain, and you can select your domain extension. That's it. So go back to your client area, just click on client area, and this is our new website. Just click on manage and you can visit your control panel and you can manage your FTP server, and that is our FTP host name and host username, and you can show your FTP user password to access your files and folders, and you can find your DNS and click on password. You can change your hosting account password, FTP or MySQL account password, and click on control panel to visit your control panel or cpanel. Just click on control panel and click on this button and click on I approved, and this is our control panel. You can manage your website, you can add your custom domain or add-on domain, and you can also create subdomain, and you can create your email account, and you can add forwarders for free, and you can also install your WordPress website using Softagula's apps installer. So I just visit my file manager, click on file manager and go to htdocs, and this is our root directory, website root directory. You can upload your website files on here. Just delete another file and folders. Just click on delete icon and click on confirm button, and I have deleted all files, and you can create your new file. Just click this icon and click on new file and index.php, or you can type index.html. Just click on OK. But I want to install WordPress and I just delete this file. Click on delete and click on confirm and go back to my cpanel and scroll down and click on Softagula's apps installer because I want to install a new WordPress website on my domain, and click on install. This is our custom domain. We have added this domain, and you can also select your another domain if you add your new add-on domain or subdomain from domain section. So I just selected this domain, and make sure blank this directory because I want to install WordPress website only this domain. And select your WordPress version and type your site name. I just typing my site name and type your site description. And you can also create admin account. Just type your admin username. I just typing admin, and admin password. You can set your admin password, and you can also set your own password. I just type it my own password, and type your admin email address. So you can also type your custom email address. So I just type it my default email address. Scroll down, and you can also select any WordPress theme. I will install another theme for this website and click on install. So we have successfully installed WordPress on our domain. And go back to your file manager, just reload this htdocs page. There are so many files and folders because we have successfully installed our WordPress website. Just you have to go htdocs folder, and you will get your WordPress all files and folders and all directories in htdocs folder. So I just visit my new website, WordPress website. Just click on this link. Oops, this is my previous website because my name server has not updated successfully. So I just check my DNS or check name server. Just search check DNS on Google and visit this website, DNS checker, and type your domain name. Just select NS to check your name server and click on search. Just wait a few hours to upgrade your name servers for all countries or regions. Visit this website from private window. Just hit on enter, and see, this is our new WordPress website, and we have successfully installed our WordPress website. To visit WordPress dashboard or admin, just type /your domain /wp-admin and press enter, and type your admin username and admin password and click on enter. And this is our WordPress dashboard, and you can install your WordPress themes, plugins, and you can add your new plugins, or you can install your new themes. And you can follow our YouTube channel to create a website using WordPress. And then I want to install free SSL certificate to secure the connection. If you visit another website, you will see connection is secure because their SSL certificate or SSL connection has activated. I want to use Cloudflare free SSL and CDN. Just search for Cloudflare on Google and go to this website cloudflare.com and click on login. Or if you don't have any account on Cloudflare, just click on sign up and enter your email address or password. I just log in my account and click on add a site and enter your domain name. So I just enter this domain name because I want to active SSL certificate for this website, and enter your domain name and click on add site, and scroll down, click free plan and click on continue button, and scroll down, click on continue button, and you have to change your name server. Just scroll down and copy the name server and go back to your Namecheap account and go back to your domain section. Just click on manage and replace your name server. Just click on copy and replace your name server, delete other name server and save these name servers, and go back to Cloudflare account and click on done and check name server button and click on get started, and make sure your SSL automatically HTTPS redirect and click on save, and click on save again click on save and click on finish, and then you have to wait 15 to 20 minutes and reload this page and click on SSL TLS and scroll down, check SSL TLS recommender and click on EDG certificates. Let's scroll down and check always use HTTPS, and then you can try to visit your website. I just visit this website to another browser, and let's see, our connection is secure and we have activated our SSL certificate for this website. And you can also log in your WordPress dashboard, and you have to install a plugin to fix SSL insecure content issue. Just hover over on plugin and click on add new and search for SSL and install the plugin, really simple SSL, and click on active. After activated this plugin, just check on it and click on active SSL. Log in again your WordPress dashboard and see we have fixed this issue. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this YouTube channel to get more updates.